Ignacio, you will be doing. I'm sorry, I apologise. You will be doing the sound effects for. Sorry. Alex and Roland are going to perform a scene, and you guys just have to perform the sound effects. They're going to do all the talking. You just do the sound effects. So Ignacio, you're going to do the sound effects for Roland, and Hannah, you're going to do the sound effects for Alex. Okay. Now the scene is you guys are. And I've been so excited about this, I haven't actually put down a scene. Someone give me a scene where there's lots of noise.
Harry and Draco have a car crash.
What was that? About Malefoy and...
Malefoy and Potter have a duel.
Yes, I like that.
Having sex!
Having sex! No, we'll have Malefoy and Potter.
You know that?
Yeah. Okay. Malefoy and Potter, okay, who's who? Having a duel, take it away. Yeah, a duel, and you do the sound effects. So, Hannah, you're doing the sound effects for Alex. Ignacio, you're doing the sound effects for Roland in the black. Okay?
Who's Harry Potter?
Fine. Harry is Roland because he has the same colour hair, and vaguely blondish Alex is Malfoy.
Scared Potter?
Shut up, boy! How you like that now, bitch?
Yeah, what's this move?
Ridiculous!
Let me get a fucking spelling already!
Where did that noise come from? Ridiculous! Somebody over!
I'm going to conjure a giant! God!
Draco, you may have your spells, but I've got the Elder Ones.
Fuck your elder one!
It doesn't break! Draco, that was the spell.
We're not going by Harry Potter, alright? This is simple!
Yes, we are. Ridiculous.
I think we'll leave it there. Well done, guys. Thank you, Jack.